corner of our nation where the sun rises to illuminate hope and sets upon communities striving for a better tomorrow. There is a force at work, a force of change, of compassion, of service. Welcome to the heart of National Service Scheme where hands don't just come together, they extend in service, forging a legacy of impact and transformation. NSS is more than just a program, it's a journey of self discovery. It empowers you to create a change where it needed the most. Being part of NSS gave us a sense of purpose. It's not just about what we do, it's about the impact we leave behind. But before we delve into the present, let us rewind the tape of the National Service Scheme was restarted from a vision in 2022-23. A vision to shape the youth into responsible citizens who don't merely exist but actively contribute to the social fabric. The journey was started with just 14 volunteers in its first year. But this journey is not without its trials. It's about confronting obstacles head on, learning from failures, and finding innovative solutions. NSS taught us not just resilience but also the power of collective actions. Together, we can overcome anything.
नमस्कार, मी अर्चना इंगोले, असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर ASMH डिपार्टमेंट. व्हॅल्यूज कधी शिकवून येत नाहीत तर त्या कृतीतून रुजवाव्या लागतात. म्हणूनच स्टुडंट्समध्ये सामाजिक बांधिलकीची जाणीव रुजवावी, त्यांना त्यांची समाजाप्रती असलेली त्यांची कर्तव्य जबाबदारी समजावी, ही माझ्या सतत नेहमी मनात इच्छा असायची. आणि त्या दृष्टीनेच ज्यावेळी मला प्रिन्सिपल जोशी सरांनी 2022-23 मध्ये NSS-PC युनिटच्या प्रोग्राम ऑफिसरची जबाबदारी देण्याची इच्छा व्यक्त केली तेव्हा ती मी जबाबदारी स्वीकारली. कारण या व्हॅल्यूजसाठी NSS पेक्षा चांगला प्लॅटफॉर्म नाहीये. आणि जानेवारी 2022 मध्ये जेव्हा रजिस्ट्रेशनची प्रोसिजर पूर्ण झाली तर युनिव्हर्सिटी रूल प्रमाणे प्रत्येक NSS युनिटचा दरवर्षी एक 7 दिवसाचा दत्तक गावामध्ये रेसिडेन्शियल कॅम्प नेणे अनिवार्य असते. म्हणूनच खूप कमी कालावधीत त्या कॅम्पचे मागच्या वर्षी नियोजन करावे लागले, ज्याच्यामध्ये मला प्राचार्य जोशी सरांनी व PCA-CSC NSS प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर रिद्वी सर यांनी प्रचंड मदत केली. फक्त 14 व्हॉलेंटियर्स ज्यामध्ये 10 मुली आणि 4 मुले यांना घेऊन मी या कॅम्पचे नियोजन केले. पनवेलपासून 15 किलोमीटर अंतरावर असलेल्या शिवनसई गावामध्ये जाऊन तिथल्या सरपंचाची भेट घेऊन कॅम्पचे लोकेशन, श्रमदानाची रूपरेषा ठरवली आणि तो कॅम्प सर्व व्हॉलेंटियर्सच्या मदतीने सक्सेसफुली पूर्ण झाला.
Hello all. Today I feel very honored to speak here as a program officer for NSS-PC. Personally, NSS is very close to my heart. I started my journey of NSS as being a founder NSS volunteer for NSS-PIT in second year of my engineering. Then as a university representative for NSS Pune University, and now continuing here as a program officer for NSS-PC. So I experienced personally how much NSS helps in students' personality development and making him a matured human being. In last year, in March 2023, Principal Sir called me and asked me to join NSS residential camp for 1 or 2 days. I said, okay sir. I went in the camp and I'm a little bit surprised by seeing the number of students. 10 girls and 4 boys. Then I met the Archana ma'am and I came to know about her struggle to making this camp successful in so less a period of time. So when Principal Sir visited the camp, with permission from Sir, Ma'am asked me to join NSS as a program officer. And it's my honor that very gracefully Sir approved it and I continued the residential camp for remaining 5 days. The journey started on that day with some uncertain mindset because I know how much devotion and dedication NSS will require to grow up with a great unit. At that point, I am not very much sure that whether I will be able to do that or not. Now I am so happy the way NSS is growing day by day. And our aim is to create the impactable journey in the adopted village as well as making the NSS unit as the best NSS unit of the Mumbai University. All these students will get 350 to 400 hours to work under NSS, from which they have to complete 120 hours per year, which will benefit them in academics with 10 marks and the university certificate. So I wish all the very best to all my volunteers to grow our NSS at the best, because it is not at all possible without you all. As you know, it's not me but you. Thank you.
In a world pulsating with challenges, a group of enthusiastic volunteers gathers under the banner of National Service Scheme. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the unique orientation program at NSS PC, where passion meets the purpose and dedication takes center stage. In the heart of NSSPC, a flame of service is ignited. As these volunteers steps out into the world, they carry with them a values of enthusiasm, dedication, and profound sense of responsibility. The NSSPC orientation isn't just a training ground, it's a force that shapes individuals into passionate and serious agents of positive change.
On 15th of August, volunteers of NSSPC are gathered together for flag hosting on the occasion of Independence Day. As we celebrate Independence Day here at NSSPC, this day is a reminder that our journey towards a better India continues. Fueled by the passion and dedication of volunteers who understand the true meaning of independence.
Ganesh Chaturthi, a time of joy and devotion, traditionally concludes with the immersion of Lord Ganesha's idol into water bodies. However, this age-old tradition has sometimes resulted into the environmental concerns due to the materials used in the creation of these idols and the pollution caused by their immersion. The community has come together to create artificial water ponds specially designed for the eco-friendly immersion of Ganesha's idols. These ponds are made from the biodegradable materials, ensuring minimal impact on the environment. As the idol gently submerged into the eco-friendly ponds, the community takes a collective step towards the sustainable celebrations. Bappa माझा पर्यावरणाचा राजा.
The NSSPC's commitment to environmental sustainability and community service is evident in the unique initiative, teaching volunteers to create practical and beautiful items from discarded plastic. The idea behind Best Out of Waste is to instill a sense of responsibility towards the environment and encourage creativity. It's incredible to think that something as simple as plastic bottle can be turned into something useful like a bench. It's not just about making something new, it's about making a big difference. It's not just about recycling, it's about reimagining the potential of waste materials.
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू हाथों में भर के चला बिजली
The selfless act of organ donation. We met a group of passionate volunteers determined to spread awareness about the importance of organ donation. Their mission to inspire, educate, and ultimately save lives.
धड़क आंधिया बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े आंधिया मंजर है ये नया
In Mumbai, a Hotel Lalit, a responsible packaging event, unfolded with volunteers warmly welcoming guests for a smooth registration process. Dressed in uniform, volunteers from diverse backgrounds gathered to contribute to the event's success.
The NSS PC De-Addiction Rally. Volunteers of NSS PC united to break the chains of addiction and pave the way for a healthier tomorrow. Armed with the posters, slogans, and determination, they strive to make a difference. The slogans echo through the air, urging everyone to break free from the shackles of addiction and embrace a healthier lifestyle.
The NSSPC has organized a significant event which is e-waste, drawing attention to the importance of responsible disposal of electronic devices. Special guest from Panvel Municipal Corporation, Mr. Manoj Chavan and Vaibhav Vidhate, experts in the field of Ministry of Environment, have graced us with their presence.
Meri Mati, Mera Desh, an extraordinary celebration where students come together to symbolize the essence of their root and forge a bond that goes beyond the boundaries of soil. Each student brings the piece of their native land, their Mati, to the PC community, each soil representing the history, culture, and spirit of their region. As the students carefully add their soil to the Amrit Kalash, a symbolic act unfolds, a coming together of a diverse landscape that make up our incredible nation. As the Amrit Kalash fills with the soil from every corner of our country, it transforms into a vessel of unity, symbolizing the oneness. This shared Kalash becomes a metaphor for the strength that emerges when diverse elements come together.
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा
स्वच्छता की करो तैयारी सभी नागरिक का यही हो सकता स्वच्छता की करो तैयारी धन्यवाद आप सभी का धन्यवाद
तुफान आले काळ्या भुईच्या भेटीला हे आभाळे आले
The Grand Tree Plantation Drive at Adai Hill, a beacon of environmental consciousness and community spirit. The NSS PC family, comprised of eager students, has converged on hillside to sow the seed of a sustainable future, armed with the saplings of babul, peepal, hibiscus, and jamun tree, known for their longevity and ecological benefits. They are about to embark on a mission to transform into landscape. With every thrust of a shovel, these students are contributing to the greener tomorrow. The saplings they plant today will grow into mighty trees, purifying the air, providing shades, and becoming a sanctuary for countless birds and insects. In a heartwarming display of leadership, the Honorable Principal graces the event with their presence. Shoveling soil alongside the student, the Principal exemplifies the institution's commitment to environmental stewardship and community engagement.
जरी रुजलो उदरात तुझ्या कुशीत तुझ्या घडलो स्वार्थाचे तट बांधत सुटलो
As the sun continues its journey across the azure sky, over 100 saplings find their new home in the embrace of Adai Hill. Each tree is a testament to the collective efforts of NSSPC, a symbol of their dedication to the environment and a promise for a more sustainable future. NSSPC has left an indelible mark on Adai Hill, a mark that whispers of unity, responsibility, and the boundless potential of a community that cares. As the sapling takes the root, so does the spirit of change.
उपरतीन आलिया जान जागर झालं एकजुटीन पेटल राहणे तुफान आले हे काळ्या
NSSPC
NSSPC Women's Skill and personality development event where the spirit of empowerment takes the center stage. Today, these young women embark on the transformative journey towards professional excellence, armed with the knowledge of ethical conduct and the skills to navigate formal settings, including interviews, all while embracing the unique challenges posed by the menstruation. In the heart of education and service, Pillai College of Engineering stands as a beacon of commitment to the community. Now, we bring you a special glimpse into the success story of NSS PC, showcasing one of their impactful events, a health checkup camp that reaches new heights. The health checkup camp aimed not just at quantity but at comprehensive healthcare. Over 430 individuals took a proactive step towards the healthier lifestyle by undergoing a series of crucial health examinations. The NSS PC volunteers, driven by the spirit of service, played a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth execution of the event.
The NSSPC, in collaboration with the expert medical team from MGM Hospital, organized one of the biggest blood donation camps in recent memory, a celebration of unity, compassion, and the essence of giving.
तेरे पीछे पीछे रास्ते ये चल के बाहों के निशानों में ढल के ढूंढ लेंगे अपना आशियां अपना आशियां अपना आशियां.
The community came together in full force. Eager donors, their faces reflecting determination and kindness, streamed into the camp, ready to make a big difference.
NSSPC का सामुदायिक सेवा दिवस जन कल्याण सेवाश्रम और गिरिजा कल्याण संघ अनाथालयों के बच्चों के लिए हंसी और खुशी लेकर आया। स्वयंसेवकों ने ओरिगैमी, तकनीकी कार्यशालाएं और खेलों का आयोजन किया। एक भावपूर्ण नाटक ने शिक्षा के महत्व पर प्रकाश डाला और एक जीवंत डांस फ्लोर ने बच्चों की प्रतिभा को प्रदर्शित किया। इस दिन ने साझा भोजन के माध्यम से समुदाय को बढ़ावा दिया और एक स्थायी प्रभाव छोड़ा। इसने दुनिया के सबसे अंधेरे कोने को भी रोशन करने के लिए सरल दयालुता की शक्ति पर जोर दिया।
7 दिवसाचे श्रमदान शिबिरसाठी आलेलो तर हेल्थ चेकअप
हो चांगलंच केलं. हेल्थचं काही गरजेचंच होती आणि कारण की माझ्या गावामध्ये आज अशी बांधली असते आणि त्याच्यामध्ये चांगलंच मला परत नंतर ते वोटिंगचं केलं ते तर भरपूर गरजेचं होतं कारण का त्याच्यामध्ये माझं काम कमी केलं जवळजवळ 70-80 काहीतरी वोटर आपले झालेले ते सगळ्यात चांगलं मला काम तेच आवडलं. हो ते तर काय चांगलंच होतं. हो बंधाराचं तर आता गरजेचंच आहे. आता काहीतरी 2-3 महिने तर पाणी पुरत नाही नदीचं. आता मला तर वाटतं 3-4 महिने बघायला लागले ते चांगलं केलं ते पण.
तर मी पिल्ले कॉलेजचं मी खूप आभार मानतो. त्या आमच्या शिवणसे गावात तेही चांगल्या पद्धतीने शिबिर भरवलं आलं आणि जो शिबिर आरोग्य शिबिर भरला ती तर खूप चांगली गोष्ट आहे कारण की आदिवासी जमात आहे शिवणसे गावामध्ये शिवणसे आंबेमध्ये त्यांच्यासाठी खूप गरजेचं होतं. पिल्ले कॉलेजचे खूप खूप धन्यवाद बोलतो आणि असंच आमच्या छोट्या मोठ्या गावात या आणि
गणपति बप्पा
पनवेल का दिल शिवनसई नामक एक छोटा सा गांव। यह एक खास रेजिडेंशियल कैंप का सीन है जिसमें NSSPC के 50 जोशीले वॉलंटियर्स ने मिलकर एक मस्ती भरी जर्नी की शुरुआत की है और उनका विजन था पॉजिटिव चेंज लाने का।
धडकन नवी छेडूया नवे नवे गीत हे मनाचे धडकन नवी छेडूया जिंदगीला नव्याने देऊ चेहरा स्वप्नातला कभी हो मन मानिया थोड़ी सी बदमाशिया तेरी मेरी यारिया कभी हो मन मानिया थोड़ी सी बदमाशिया तेरी मेरी यारिया.
कैसे है गाना?
अरे प्रार्थना तो होने दे, उसके बाद खाना खाएंगे।
कैंप के शुरुआत से वॉलंटियर्स ने अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज किया इम्पैक्टफुल दिनों के लिए। उनका मिशन गांव के लोगों की ज़रूरतें पूरा करना और उनके जीवन में कुछ खास बदलाव लाना।
मन शुद्ध तुझ गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची, हा पृथ्वी मोलाची, हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची. मन शुद्ध तुझ गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची. तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची, परवा बी कुणाची, परवा बी कुणाची, परवा बी कुणाची.
वॉलंटियर्स ने वक्त जाया किए बिना गांव वालों के लिए तुरंत एक हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज किया। ब्लड प्रेशर चेकिंग से लेकर बेसिक हेल्थ स्क्रीनिंग तक। एनएसएस वॉलंटियर्स के लिए एक बड़ा चैलेंज था शिवनसई में पानी की कमी, लेकिन वॉलंटियर्स ने हार नहीं मानी और श्रमदान में इन्वॉल्व होकर बंधारा इरिगेशन सिस्टम बनाने में अपने फिजिकल एफर्ट्स कंट्रीब्यूट किए। इसने न केवल इमीडिएट वाटर नीड्स को एड्रेस किया बल्कि गांव वालों के लिए सस्टेनेबल फार्मिंग का वादा भी किया।
झेंडा भल्या कामाचा जो घेऊन निघाला, हा झेंडा भल्या कामाचा जो घेऊन निघाला. अरे काट कुट वाट मंदी बोचती त्याला, रगत निघल तरी बी हसल शाबास त्याची, रगत निघल तरी बी हसल शाबास त्याची. तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची, परवा बी कुणाची.
एनएसएसपीसी टीम ने डेमोक्रेसी के पावर को समझा और वोटर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन ड्राइव लॉन्च की। गांव वालों को उनके वोट का इस्तेमाल करने और अपने भविष्य को शेप करने के लिए। हर दिन आया कुछ नया चैलेंज और उसी में से एक था कि 50 मेंबर्स के लिए 2 बार का खाना बनाना। टीम वर्क, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और डेडिकेशन का फल डिलीशियस खाना था।
म्हणजे मोठी लढाई आणि हत्याराचं फुलावानी घाव बिखाई. गळ्यामध्ये पडल त्याच्या माळी जयाची, गळ्यामध्ये पडल त्याच्या माळी जयाची. तू चाल पुढं, तू चाल पुढं, तू चाल पुढं. तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची, परवा भी कुणाची. मन सुद्धा तुझा गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची, हा पृथ्वी मोलाची.
और मेंटल वेलबींग का बैलेंस बनाए रखने के लिए कैंप में डेली योगा सेशंस और एक्सपर्ट गेस्ट लेक्चर्स शामिल थे। इन एक्टिविटीज ने वॉलंटियर्स के लिए गाइडिंग लाइट्स का काम किया।
बस खुद की ही सुनता पाते ये नादानी से है नाते ये
होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट का इम्पोर्टेंस समझकर एनएसएसपीसी टीम ने गांव के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ का आयोजन किया।
सवारीचा घेतला पावला निया वाळवंटी तुझी सावली. गळा भेट घेण्या भीमेची निघाली तुझ्या नाम घोषात इंद्रायणी.
जब शिवनसाई में स्पेशल रेजिडेंशियल कैंप का सूरज अस्त हुआ, तब NSSPC के वॉलंटियर्स ने न केवल गांव को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया बल्कि खुद भी एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव जर्नी पर गुजरे। उनका कमिटमेंट, उनका डेडिकेशन और उनके पैशन ने कम्युनिटी सर्विस के ट्रू स्पिरिट को एग्जेम्प्लीफाई किया और उसी के साथ पनवेल के दिल में एक पॉजिटिव चेंज की लेगेसी छोड़ दी।
These skills and values each volunteer gained in NSS have been the cornerstone of their success. It's not just about giving back, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. NSS is a journey that goes beyond service. It's a journey of self-discovery.
मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते. मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते. मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे, गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते. मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे, गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते. मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे.
Beyond the measurable impact on communities, NSS is a catalyst for personal growth. Here are NSSPC academic toppers: Tushar Deshmukh, FE Comps; Rutuja Male, SEIT; Shreyas Sonkamble, FE Mech; Abhijay KS, FE Auto. Suyog came third in inter-college 400 meter running. Sushant came third in inter-college 200 meter running at Rosaini. Shravani Zadav got third prize in archery at zonal level. Apart from these academic achievements, NSS volunteers showed their talent in various activities taken by the government. Ashwin and Prasiddhi attended Constitution Day in MU. Pranita Mali got selected in RD pre-parade at district level. Ayush Dudushkar represented PC at university level. He attended camp organized by Tulsidas Mukle sir.
Namaskar, I am Sandeep Joshi, Principal of Pillai College of Engineering. This is about NSSPC, which was revamped in academic year 22-23 with 50 units, and subsequently it is increased to 100 volunteers. Now NSSPC is having 100 volunteers from academic year 23-24. It is a very good opportunity for all our students to get acquainted with the rural India through residential camp. We have adopted a village named Shivansai, about 10 to 12 kilometers from Panvel, and we are conducting a residential camp there where 50 volunteers, NSS volunteers, are staying in the village for a week's time and doing Gram Swachhata Abhiyan or making bandhara on a small river there near Shivansai, conducting the education camps for the children there in the school, organizing variety of competitions for the students, and getting themselves acquainted with their village in India. All the volunteers are enjoying that residential camp. They are getting involved into the real-time problems of the villagers and trying to find out the solutions for such problems. For example, This time, few of our students are proposing a solution for Shivansai village to pump the water from the river to their village water tank, so that villagers will get the water delivered through the taps. They came to me and they have asked for a couple of basic computer machines to be donated to the school. We, the Pillai College of Engineering, is positively thinking over that, and I am sure we'll be able to provide them good number of computers so that the rural students, the children, will get the exposure of the computers. And definitely our volunteers will visit the school frequently, not only on the residential camp days, but even otherwise they will visit the village, and they will try to help students there as well as villagers there to make their life comfortable. Apart from that, NSSPC is organizing blood donation camps, health awareness camps, organ donation camps, and making awareness among the younger generation as well as the faculty and staff of Pillai College. So all in all, NSSPC is doing very well under the leadership of our program officers, Professor Archana Ingole and Professor Akshay Jadhav, and I am sure NSSPC will reach heights in years to come. All the best, NSSPC.